We'll talk about how can you enable sound effects on your Elevate app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on profile down. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list and you come here to sound effects, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that means sound effects enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you all get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.